Hey, this is Drew Sanford from MarineMax of Huntington, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of our brand new 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. So if we start here on the transom, we have a single white Mercury 300 V8 Verado. We start moving our way forward to a very spacious sun pad finished in dark stone upholstery. By the rear port side, we have a fresh water shower as well as our Fusion stereo controls for when we're laying out on the back and still want to have a little bit more control of the music. As we walk our way forward, foldable forward and aft to really create a nice sectional social setting. Under each of our cushions, we do have insulated cooler storage, so you could use it for drinks or whatever would need to come on the water with you. As we work our way forward, we have a 9-inch Simrad screen for our digital cockpit, as well as some easy switching for our accessories. Throughout this boat, we have an amazing Fusion upgraded system with a subwoofer under the captain's seat and speakers all around, so we could always have our music where we go. Above us, we have the optional power tower, electrically operated, with a water sports attachment right above for easy access. When we walk our way forward, we have a vacuum flush head with a cushion berth with a filler cushion that goes on top to customize it into either a functioning head or a nice way to get out of the water. So now that we've worked our way down into the head, we have a very spacious head compartment for a 25-foot Sea Ray. It has the Dometic vacuum flush system with a holding tank, so for easy pump out at the dock. Here at the bow, we have our anchor locker with a freshwater shower for when we get out of the water, we could wash down before we get the seats all messy. If you want to check this boat out, come visit us at MarineMax Huntington or give us a call at 631-424-2710. We'll see you then.